welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be installing a fire extinguisher in the car. As you saw in the intro, it is a Halotron fire extinguisher, which means it's clean agent, which means if I ever do have to use it, hope to God I don't, but if I ever do, there's nothing to clean up. Halotron is actually a halon replacement because halon was bad for the environment but extremely effective. But the Halotron comes out as a liquid, immediately boils off into a gas, takes all the oxygen away from the fire and leaves no residue, all while being environmentally safe. So yeah, stick around and we'll get this thing bolted into the car, and then I'll talk to you a little bit about it afterwards. As you can see, that was a relatively simple install. Got that perforated angle steel that was really easy to work with, and just a quick coat of paint and then bolting the fire extinguisher bracket to it. The hardest part about the whole deal was the fact that the bracket the fire extinguisher came with didn't fit the fire extinguisher. The neck was too tight, so a little bit of filing and all was well. Where I've mounted it underneath the passenger seat, clears the passenger's legs, clears the seat's movement, and is very easy for me to get to in case I ever need it. Hopefully I won't. Like I said, I've seen too many really bad car fires not to have some form of fire protection in the car. And at least this way, if I do have to use it, I don't have to worry about cleaning up all the dry chemical. So, yeah, they're not cheap, but they're not that expensive. I mean, it was under $100. So, you know, it's cheap insurance. You know, we put a lot of money into our cars. Not quite sure why the GoPro keeps shutting off, but thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.